Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Short video, because today we are doing a little burpee video, but also a taste test because we went to Target today and found these new sparkling water by the brand Bai. The line for it, I guess you could say, is called Bubbles. So cute. This chair is so annoying. So I have Lombardy watermelon lime, Peru pineapple. Ooh, that one sounds so good. And then Jamaica blood orange. Yes. So I figured do a little taste test, get some burps out there for you guys. Kill two birds with one stone. Except we're vegan, we're not killing any birds. Okay, I'm fired now. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the one closest to us. Yes. Smell? It's all right. Oh. I swear it did that the last video I made, not the last video, but the last time I drank these, it did the same thing once I put the straw in. So annoying. All right, let's taste it. Kind of like a sour watermelon. A lot of air. If that makes any sense. It's like super smooth. I'm getting like watermelon cotton candy vibes. That's weird. The setup's different. You got fucking my leftover BurgerFi bag there, vacuum, like it's just gonna cover that right there. This is like a little makeshift stand. Wow. Oh. Next, I'll get back to that. I just wanna like try these first. I'm like halfway now. So this is the Peru pineapple. No, ma'am, you're not coming up here. You're gonna stay your ass right down there. It's like pina colada. It smells like there's coconut in here. And I feel a burp coming along, and it's only been 3:52. Yes. We went to our favorite vegan restaurant today. Well, one of them. For lunch. Oh, so good. That was wonton noodle soup that I had, and then he had the sesame tofu, which comes with a side of white rice, some lettuce, tomato, cucumber. Lotus Vegan Restaurant in St. Pete, Florida. You got to go. It's so freaking bomb. Honestly, like, is there like a can or something I could sit on? Cause this chair, yo. I'm about to sit on the floor, literally. You guys are sitting on the chair now. How freaking, that ain't even bougie. That's just like trash. It's crazy. It's like the consistency, it's like super smooth and foamy. That's the word. Like, these are like super foamy. So weird. But this Peru pineapple one is like very creamy. like pineapple-y, coconut. This is just not working in my favor today. It's really not. This one's actually really good. Now I'm just like chilling on my knees right now. I mean, it's all about the burps anyways, right? Who cares what the background situation or anything else is? It's all about the burps. Yeah, but this is really weird. It's like the texture. It's bubbly, but it's like foamy. Super weird. Next, we're gonna try Jamaica Blood Orange. I'm not really a fan of orange flavored things, although orange soda I like, but everything else that's orange flavored I don't like. Okay. Oh my god, my knees hurt already. Let's just say I picked an awful time to film this video. You have I tried going downstairs, the dishwasher's going, it's just dark down there, it's loud. This chair sucks. Can't do it on the floor. If I'm on my knees for more than 5 seconds, they fucking start to hurt. Like, I can't. The bathroom is too dim, like, I can't. At this point, is this even worth uploading? I don't know. All right, where were we? We're gonna try the blood orange one. Good? Okay, good. This one's really good. This one's my favorite so far. Peru pineapple. Pineapple. That's weird. 45 milligrams of caffeine per can. I don't have to work at 7:45 or anything. It's okay. It's really good, honestly. It's okay. It's like nothing. Like, I wouldn't buy it again. Kind of tastes like Thanksgiving. I don't know. Other flavors that they had, I think it was like black cherry, grapefruit, which I think I've had like grapefruit one time when, like, I've had grapefruit multiple times, but there was this one time when I first moved from New York and the grapefruit was actually blood red, like red grapefruit. Not called red grapefruit, and it was pink, like it was blood red, and it was so freaking good. After that, I could never find it. They were always pink, or they would be called red grapefruit, but they weren't actually red. It was just like a pink grapefruit. And I don't like the taste of them. I don't like grapefruit flavored things, like, it's just gross. It's literally like candy, like the watermelon candy. Sour Patch. It's pretty good though. If you want like an alternative to soda, these are really good for that. 5 calories per can, 10 sodium, and then 7 grams of erythritol, which is a sweetener. So yeah, it's pretty good, but you know. Oh, and there goes the AC. You know, I can't win. I can't. Where are these burps at? All right, here's what I'm gonna do. You got like halfway. This is like a little less than half. This is like half. I'm just gonna bear with me. I'm going to attempt the try not to burp challenge. I know. I'm not gonna use this either because I feel like it's not helping me at all. Okay, starting now. All right, starting now. Here we go. I could get behind this. Oh yeah, I'm glad I got this one for sure. I feel it. So now this brand has like the buy soda, like the one I had before is like cream soda, cola, and then they have like buy tea, and then my mom buys from Sam's Club the bottles of the coconut flavored drinks, like coconut lime, coconut pineapple, coconut mango. Those are really good too. And now they have Bubbles, the brand, like the line Bubbles, like, all right, bye, I see you. Flavor so seductive, we should change its name to Pineapple. No, they didn't. Your taste buds would commit a felony to get their hands on a can of this, Melanie. Melanie. Oh, I'm not trying to save the worst for last. I'm really not. Oh, and it's so heavy too. Brace yourself for fierce flavor that's like an exotic kick in your mouth pants. What is a mouth pants? Can somebody just tell me what that is? You know, like, oh, it's so weird. I don't know the spice, but it reminds me of Thanksgiving. Like, I don't know if it's like in the stuffing or I've gotten like, maybe it, no. It kind of tastes like, do you ever get, I don't know where you're from, but like the cranberry sauce during the holidays, but it's mixed with like blood orange and then like those spices, like those Thanksgiving, like clove and maybe nutmeg and stuff like that. Like, that's what this tastes like. I don't know, maybe I'm just hallucinating, who the hell knows. Halfway. I can feel my teeth just like, I feel it like brewing in my stomach. Look at this hair, yo. I can't deal. Definitely feel it building up. Definitely. Oh, okay. You see, I was worried about not being able to burp, but now I have to burp. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh god. Now I know how it feels. I don't like it. I'm like trying to push it back down. Oh man. You know when you're like on the beginning stages of getting drunk, you're like tipsy and you feel it in your eyes slanted? That's how my eyes are, but it's because I took my glasses off. I think I'm also getting like sugar high. I don't know. Or erythritol high. I feel like you guys want to see me burp though, not burp. Okay. This wasn't supposed to be a long video, but here we are. Where did that burp go? Ooh, that had a little jalapeno burn in it. So Target had so many vegan things, like so many new vegan products. They had the Gardein skillet meals, which I can't wait to get. There was like a chicken Alfredo one, but then there was like a sausage carbonara, no, some kind of like Italian sausage skillet meal. And then we got two other ready meals that you just have to heat up. Probably gonna end up doing a video. They look so good, I can't wait to try them. And then just like a bunch of different fall foods we picked up. We got this last season, like last year. Cinnamon French toast bagels. Come on. Toast that with some butter. I can't. Two down. We're about halfway with this boy. But yeah, I haven't seen like any YouTubers talk about this or like review. I haven't seen anyone review this. I didn't even know this existed until we went to the soda aisle, because I was looking at what soda to get, but I just didn't want to do it. I was thinking about doing like diet root beer or diet something. And then I was gonna go to the ice like I said, but then I saw these. There were 3 for $5, but I wouldn't get them again. Sorry for the weird angles today, you guys. Like, honestly, what a joke. We started on the chair, then we went to the floor, and then we went... Sometimes I just like to kick myself in the mouth pants. How many burps has it been? I know somebody's counting. I think I'm gonna upload this video, but also make another burping video, like, within the week, because I think this one was like shite. But hey, this is better than no burping video, so there's that. All right, I think we have like one big sip left. Oh God. All right, let's rate it. Time to rate. We'll start with my favorite one. Sorry for this ugly band-aid. Peru pineapple, love it. So good, so smooth, and it was like almost creamy, love it. Lambari, watermelon lime. I don't really taste the lime in it, but the watermelon kind of reminds me of like the Sour Patch watermelon, really good. And then last but not least, Jamaica blood orange. That undertone of whatever I was getting, I didn't like. Would I buy these again? No, I definitely think there are better products out there, but I'm glad I tried it, so there's that. Now I definitely have a sugar high, like, wow. What time is it? I'm looking for my phone, like, it's not right here in front of me. Yeah, 4:55. So my phone keeps sliding. I hate it. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm going to start putting these videos together because I think I started and stopped it multiple times trying to find a spot to film this. And yeah, hopefully get it up to you guys tonight or tomorrow sometime. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are having an awesome day or night, wherever you are in this lovely world. And yeah, I think we're gonna maybe do like a mukbang with some of the new vegan products that I saw that we picked up from Target. I think they're new to us at least. I had never had them or seen them before. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this jacked up video. It was very jacked up. Count how many times I burped and let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I will definitely be filming another one just to make up for this crappy quality one. So be on the lookout for that, like next week sometime. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it was... Okay, I'm gonna leave now. I'm just rambling. I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys have a good night, whatever time you're watching this. I don't know. And I will see you very soon. And bye, bye, bye.